chilling. Who's on the Wi-Fi? Yeah, that's not it. With Cable Link's broadband at the same time, without the stress. Whole home Wi-Fi. Unlimited data. Built for busy homes. No buffering. No... Cable Link's broadband. Online at cablelinks.com/summer26.
That's like one of those circle things, and then it can like make a walkout.
We have phenomenal research, outstanding clinical care, and the generosity of public, which allow us to treat patients regardless of what it takes.
Massive hail cloud. Oh my gosh, we're getting blocked by the trees. I'm so sorry. Oh, look at that. Oh no. That is a massive hail cloud. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all can barely let me show you this other side of why this other one clears. Look, as I was saying, that is a massive, that's a cloud right there. That's one heck of a cloud. And the big storm. Yes, we do have a big, massive storm. And, oh, yep, there's that hail cloud. Hail cloud. Look at that right there. That is massive. See, like that circle shape, like yeah, right there, yeah. Yeah. Look at that UFO shaped cloud. UFO shaped cloud. Wow, that is amazing. But out here we have radar scanning. Yeah. I don't know if that is a radar or something.
I'm a lawyer.
That probably is, and probably not. Scanning or something. I don't even know. I'm not. Oh, there's the police. Hi, cops. Back there. There we go. There it is again, that massive hail cloud. Look, I'm gonna zoom in all the way. And all that gray stuff, oh my gosh, all that gray stuff that you're seeing gets one heck of a cloud. Oh, look, you see that? Well, this is a video, might as well just show my face, since I already have content and, been showing my face since oh my gosh, been showing my face since I was like 4. I think, I don't know, maybe 6. I was 5, maybe. I think it was 5, definitely. When I started making content, and then my dog died, and then I got another one, and then my dog's helped me speak. Helped me support in my videos, and stuff, so I'm just, anyone that's over here, I'm just warning you. Tornado. Oh wait, what is that? Oh wait, what is that? Is that rotation? Do we have a rotation, guys? Do we have a rotation? Okay. Here we go, driving into the school. If y'all want, y'all can check radar, but watch this video full first, please.